Let's take a breath into a time of meditation and just allow ourselves to engage in the practice on a cellular level. I want you to just get in touch with anything you've been calling wrong and breathe in that Eric Butterworth piece. That it's like, yeah, it's okay to be discontent with that. Breathe into whatever you've been feeling inside. If you felt like, what's wrong with me? Just breathe into that and be with that for a moment. How about, what am I learning here? What is growing within me? Rather than trying to contort myself to live in this world as it is, how can I be a champion for the true nature, the human nature within all beings, and honor the divine nature within each one of us? When I stop fighting, stop resisting that, I can breathe into the truth that right here and right now I am being taught. By the master teacher, by the fullness of this infinite universe we call God, by the very stars that hang above my head. So I breathe into a deep sense of self-compassion. I will not abandon you. I will not run. I will not chastise you. I will go directly to headquarters, into meditation, into peace and into grace. To study, to learn, to serve. What is here for me, sweet spirit? Remove my eyes from the problems, focus my attention on the possibilities, the potential, the peace that comes from the moment I say, I am listening. I am listening. I listen to my emotions. I listen to my mind. I listen to my beloved. I listen to my community. I listen to my world. And I will be a part of the calling. I will be a part of the expansion and the consciousness. I am teachable, reachable. I am learning. Inhaling and exhaling. I am fully open to whatever it is my soul is longing to master in this moment. I am fully open to the contributions in consciousness I am to bring to humanity. community. I belong right where I am. It is safe here. It may be unknown, there may be change, and I am made for it. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.